Hello everyone. Magdalene Monsami, the attorney representing the singer and socialite Kelly Khumalo, has withdrawn from the high-profile murder trial of Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. Monsami was present at the case presided over by Judge Chifiwa Maumela in April last year, who has since been replaced by Judge Rata Makgotleng. On Wednesday morning, Lumka Mahanjana, the Gauteng regional spokesperson for the National Prosecuting Authority, confirmed to the IOL News that Monsami had filed notice to withdraw from the case. Last year, Monsami stated she had been appointed by Khumalo, who wanted to closely follow the court proceedings. She explained her role that it was to ensure a full understanding and direct interaction with the proceedings. Meyiwa was killed on 26 October 2014 while visiting Kelly Khumalo, his girlfriend, and the mother of his child in Vosloorus in Gauteng. The trial has started recently and the state prosecution introduced its first witness, Zandile Khumalo, Kelly Khumalo's younger sister. 5 men, Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi, Musika Ukhulelo Spia, Mthobisi Mncube, Mthokoziseni Banzi, and Sfisokuhle Ntuli had been arrested and faced charges of murder. Those in the house at the time included Kelly Khumalo and her younger sister Zandi, their mother Ntombi Longwe, Meyiwa's friends Mthokozisi Twala and Tumelo Madlala, as well as Khumalo's 4-year-old son Christian and Tingo, her daughter with Meyiwa. The trial has restarted recently and the state prosecution introduced its first witness, Zandile Khumalo. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.